Welcome to the clash of the generations, Gen Z versus Millennials. Okay, this is how the game is going to work. There are 3 different categories: music, movies and TV shows, and slang. Gen Z, can we hear your buzzer noise, please? Okay, Millennials? Okay, cool. Shall we do rock, paper, scissors to see who's gonna start? Here we go! Okay, Millennials, you can choose the category music, TV and movies, or slang.
Music.
How many members were in the original Destiny's Child? Millennials.
6.
Okay, you have a chance to seal, Gen Z.
3.
Original Destiny's Child, there were 4 members. No points that round. Gen Z, you can choose the next category.
Movies and TV.
Movies and TV. Finish the phrase from the first season of Power Rangers. It's blank time. Gen Z. 5, 4, 3.
Party.
Morphin Tom.
Okay, so that's 1 point for Gen Z. Let's go. Okay. What does the following word mean? Goat. Millennials.
Greatest of all time.
What category would you like next?
Movies.
Movies and TV. Which celebrity played the role of Hannah Montana on the Disney Channel? Gen Z.
Miley Cyrus.
Bing! What was the object that Sia sang about when she was swinging from? Gen Z.
Chandelier.
But to ask, do you mean Miley Cyrus in the wrecking ball? I was just
That's just a way of never going to that's what it turns out.
Cookie Monster, Big Bird, Elmo were all characters that lived where? Millennials.
Sesame Street. Sesame Street.
Which Canadian-born rapper goes by the Instagram handle at let me say that again, sorry. Wait, let me say it again. Okay, cool. Name 3 cast members from the first High School Musical movie. Millennials.
Vanessa Hudgens, Ashley Tisdale, and Zac Efron.
Good job. Okay, the last question is going to be worth 3 points, and I'm going to choose the category, and I'm not going to tell you what the category is. Okay. Which 2000 alternative rock band debuted with the song One Step Closer?